Hi, if you're a creator or a freelancer and you would love to use Gigbanc to receive payment from international clients and make USD and other global transactions, come closer. I'll show you how to set up and verify your Gigbanc account step by step. Open the Gigbanc app and type sign up. Enter your phone name exactly as it appears on your government issued ID, your email address, your phone number, and then a password. Accept the terms and conditions, then tap register. You will land on your dashboard where you can set transaction PIN, complete verification, create your USD account, or even create your USD virtual account. Let's start with the transaction. Tap set transaction PIN and choose a 4-digit code you always remember. Now head back to the dashboard and type on verify your account. For your phone number, enter your phone number, you'll receive an OTP and input it, and it is done. For your email address, verify it the same way with an OTP. For your personal details, add a social media link, date of birth, place of birth, and gender. For your BVN verification, type in your BVN and wait for it to be accepted. Next is your identity verification. Grant photo access, select your preferred government issued ID, fill in the details, and follow the prompts to take a clear selfie. Submit and you get a confirmation once it's successful. Finally, complete address verification. Type in your address, choose a document type, either utility bill or bank statement, upload it and wait for confirmation. These are pro tips to avoid delays. Make sure that your selfie camera is clean, upload clear and readable documents, and ensure that all details match your BVN. That's it. Your account is now verified. Download Gigbanc today, sign up and verify your accounts, and unlock everything that Gigbanc has to offer. Bye.